முத்துநகை.
Namaste, doctor.
வணக்கம்மா. வணக்கம்மா.
Welcome, doctor. Welcome to the show, doctor. Is it live?
Yeah, clear.
Yes, sir.
Very, very clear.
Okay, doctor. Live arka? Dr. Sam, is it live? Can we start, Dr. Sam?
Yes, Dr. Yes.
Okay. Good evening, Dr. L. Mahadevan, sir. It is a blessing and honor to welcome you to the show. Today, I want to experience my learning, my journey with my guru, Dr. L. Mahadevan, sir. I first met Dr. Mahadevan, sir, as a student when I was doing my first professional course, as I wanted to learn more than what I was taught at my college. Doctor suggested to come to Dersinangop anytime and learn from him. My family was very reluctant to send me alone that far, but destiny had it that I worked with Dr. Mahadevan, sir, in his clinic, and I met him there. I continue to thank God for making this destiny happen. I have been very lucky ever since then. I had the opportunity to learn about Doctor up close. He is born brilliant, but he also has an irrevocable love for learning. He tirelessly reads all kinds of books. His interest in learning is widespread and doesn't restrict only to medicine or Ayurveda. He reads on all the different subjects, Yoga Sankhya, Vedanta Mimamsa Vaisheshika Nyaya, and Jyotisha, to list a few. He is just not a light reader, but has a deep understanding of it all. His deep learning and love for Tamil literature is known to all. What makes me get amazed by this living legend is how he brings them all together and delivers to students and commoners in such simple words. He carries many hats. He is an academician, a orator, a clinician, a humanitarian, a writer, and a guru, to mention a few. He is just not all uh, of these, as I mentioned, but he is supremely good at all of this and more. He is a very deep person, but I always see him making it easy for simple minds like us around. He is the kindest man I have seen in my life. He is always concerned about those around him and shows a fatherly care to all his students. I always thank God in gratitude for giving me the opportunity to be in His presence. His presence itself inspires me to do better, not only as a physician, but also as a better person. So today, it is the continuation of the last session, Understanding Aushadhi Yogas. I request Sir, Dr. L. Mahadevan Sir, to take the stage.
Thank you. Screen pot. That's all. Respected and my dear Dr. Muthunagai, thank you very much for your kind introduction that came from your heart. Thank you very much for the nice words. You are one of my great students. I am very proud about you, the work you are doing independently without any background. You have come up so well in the life. You are seeing quite good number of patients and you have a deep knowledge in the Shastra, and many patients come to me and saying very good things about you, which makes me proud. Sishyadiche Parajayam. So thank you very much. Now coming to the class on Sakasra Yoga and other texts. Last time somebody asked me, you should talk about Rasa Aushadas also. Today I wanted to talk about the Aushadha Yogas in the GI tract. Like Ashtachurnam, Chardula Churnam, Naraja Churnam, Vaishwanaram, Hingubajadi, Bhaskara Lavanam, etc. And so many other Avipatti, Karam. What is the difference? So we have started with Vadavyadi. In the Vadavyadi itself, a lot of yogas we have not covered. So I am covering the yogas which were not touched during the last two classes. So coming to the Chadurmukha Rasa, Bhaishya Ratnavali, in North India it is very famous. Vadaroga Adhigaram, Kajali, Logabhaspam, Abragabhaspam, Swarnabhaspam. They are triturated with Kumari Swarasam and it's a Bhavana with Kumari Swarasam. And the resultant product is wrapped in Yarandapatram and kept inside heap of the paddy for 3 days. Then it is powdered and stored. It is not just trituration only. And it is given in some of the conditions. These gold and mercury silver based medicines, they work in Majjadadu, Shukradadu, Rasam and Manas. It's highly useful in the recovery phase. After Shodhana, we give in MND. MND is a very challenging problem and we do not have an answer. Some of the MNDs like primary lateral sclerosis and young MND shows little promise. And 3 types of MNDs are seen in practice. One is amyotrophic lateral sclerosis where you have UMN and LMN lesions. Then they will develop progressive bulbar palsy, that is Jikhvastambam. It will be associated with the dysarthria, dysphonia and dysphagia. We call it 3 Ds. Dysarthria, Vakdushti, dysphonia, Swarabedam, and dysphagia, Bhaktharogam, even though Bhaktharogam is not mentioned in the text. Annaswadhana is mentioned in Pranavagasrodho Dushti. So where in MND we give this Chadurmukha Rasa, and dystonia, Sarvangavadam is we have comes the spectrum, MND comes under that spectrum, where Spuranam, fasciculation is mentioned as a Lakshana. Dystonia is an involuntary movement disorder, Kalli Vadam. Cervical myelopathy, the cord compression and Hoffman will be positive, supinator will be brisk, knee jerk will be brisk, where after the Shodhana, after Thailas Negabana, Swedana, Yerandamo, this Dvibanjamoladi Nerugam, Nasyam Shirovasti, Lashuna Rasayanam, then while they go, we give Chadurmugarasam or Birgatwada Chintamani. Hemiplegia due to infarction, motor neuropathy, and myoclonic jerks. The Chalavriddhi in Majjadadu, nocturnal myoclonus, hypnic jerks. Night while you start sleeping, sometimes you feel jerks. Myoclonus is a type of epilepsy seen in children, which is very difficult to treat. Multiple sclerosis, many people would have treated multiple sclerosis. There are two types of multiple sclerosis in practice. While talking the yoga, I am touching the clinical medicine also, so that it will be interesting for the practitioners and useful for the practitioners. Multiple sclerosis, even though 4 types are there, commonly we see 2 types, remission and relapse type, and another one is chronic progressive type. Vishamada, Vishamo, Vishamaramba, Kriyakala, Anushangavan, where the Linavastha is playing a major role in the multiple sclerosis. The doshas will be vitiated and they will be hidden in the dadus. When suitable circumstances come, they get provoked and they produce these features. So the Vishamada is there. So it is a Vada Pitta Vriddhi in Majja Dadu with Vada involvement producing the Anavasthitatva. So we will be doing Rukshana first and then Pachanamrata Kashayam, and then we go for Madhura Rasa Pradhane Vidaryadi, Nasyam, and Pidichal and Navarakiri we avoid in these cases because of the residual Dadagada Ama, there will be aggravation. Vasti plays a major role. So the Vishamada, what we do in our hospital, in Vishamadjwara, there is Majjagada Jwaram. That medicines we are giving in multiple sclerosis. The 3 drugs that are told in Majjagada Jwaram are used in multiple sclerosis. Chaturthaga Jwara Kashayam is used there, and trigeminal neuralgia, tics dolorex, and there will be severe pain in the face and wasting disorders. Ashtavargam and Badardarvadi, they are Vada Kafakaram Ushnam Anulomanam Brahmadi, and they have no Sthana Visheshatvam, Sarvadega Visheshatvam is there. Now, Brigatvada Chintamani is also a Brahmana Yoga, Vadavitta Samana. It is a Brahmana, Madhura Rasa Pradhanya Yoga, Madhura Vibhaga, Snigdha Guna, and Poshana Yukta, Swarna Baswam, Rajada Baswam, Abra Baswam. These medicines we can write, but it is very costly. North Indians, they write it a lot, and cost-effective practice, it is tough because if you write 30 tablets, 30 into 22, you calculate. CVA, infarct, convulsions, neurological diseases, facial palsy, and recovery phase of demyelination, M&D, Parkinson's disease, somatization disorders. The old name for hysteria, Vyoshabasmaram is hysteria. Now they call it conversion disorder. So it's a Vadagara Aushada based on Yukti. Swarnamalini Vasanta Rasam, it is a Jwaragara Yoga, contain Rasaga, zinc, Karparam, which plays a major role in the current situation. And you can see this basically a Kafagara Yoga, Hingulam, Marijam, Rasagam, or Kadurasa Pradhanya, Kinjit Pittanavanda. So perennial rhinitis, chronic rhinitis, bronchitis, COPD, it works on Pranavagasrodhas, and neurologically also it is effective, it is having Rasayana property. Swarnamuktadi, it's a very, very famous yogam. My guru, Dr. B. Vaidyanathan sir used to make it. And Sakasra Yogam, it is told, it's a yogam from Sakasra Yogam. You see, in Sakasra Yogam, Lavangam, Rudraksham, Madhugapushpam, Bilvabalam, Ajja, Karjurabalam, Vaja, Putranjivaga are there. Swarnam, Muktam, Rajadam, Pravalam, Shringi, Gorochana, Kumkumakesaram, Kasturi are mentioned. Kasturi in 17th century itself, Kasturi has become an endangered animal. And my sir was using fecal matter of a sea animal called Jundbi Jastar. We call it Jund. Even Jund is not available, so synthetic Kasturi is there, and Kasturi, Lada Kasturi Bijam is also there, and Kasturi Tadabave Takkolam in Yogaratnakara in 17th century. The Abhavadravyam for Kasturi is Takkolam. Takkolam is taken into this yoga wherever the word Kasturi is mentioned, but still we use the word Mahadanvandaram, Kasturi Gudiga, Maha Kasturi Gudiga, Vayu Gudiga, etc. So it is useful in rheumatic disease and rheumatic heart disease, premature ventricular contraction. That is PVC, the ectopics, irregular heartbeat. Whenever a patient comes to you with misbeat, you ask them to walk. During walking, if the misbeat goes away, there is no problem. And ask them to stop coffee, tea, and cocoa and chocolates. And it is a chala vriddhi, vishama dushti in rasadadu. Rasam is related to hridaya. And Orilaver Pal Kashayam, Stiramula Kshira Kashayam with Danvandara Gudiga and Sukumara Legium at bedtime, because in 11 Vegas among the 14 Vegas, Hridrogam is told. Premature atrial contraction also, we do the same treatment. Convalescence and encephalopathies, all these Sannibadha Jwaras resembles meningitis and encephalopathies. The neck stiffness and all mentioned very beautifully. Stanyam is the Bhavana Dravya, and it's not available. And Kshiram also produce fungus. So my Guru Dr. Vaidyanathan Sir used to do Bhavana with Jiraka Kashayam. Even in Vaidya Roga Ratnavali, he has mentioned this commentary. Now coming to the Guguladiktaka Kridam, we are coming to the conventional Vada Vyadi Chikitsa. It is told in Ashtangradayam Vada Vyadi. It is Tikta Rasam, Kashaya Rasam, Kadarasam. So what does it mean? It is a Kafakara Yoga. Kashaya Diktam. Kadu reduces. Tatra Adya Maradam Kandi, Trayastikta Daya Kafam. It is Ushna Viryam, Kafavada Samanam, Rakta Prasadanam, Leganam, Tridoshagara Yoga. It contains Gugulu and Balladagam. The first word of Guguladiktagam, Nimbamrata Vrishabdola Nidigdiganam, is called Panjadiktam. There is another Panjadiktam in Vaishajaratnavali in Jorajikisa. There is another Panjadiktam in Panjadikta Vasti in Charaka Siddhi, in which Rasana, which is Tikta Kadu, is also. Rasana is not a classical Tikta Rasa Pradhanya yoga, but that is also mentioned. Guguladiktagam is contains Balladagam, Varunadi contains Balladagam. Guguladiktagam is Kafavadagaram, Varunadi is Kafavadagaram. Guguladiktagam works in Asti Majjadadu, Varunadi works in Asti Majjadadu. Guguladiktagam is Urdhva Jatru Visheshatvam. Varunadi is also Urdhva Jatru Visheshatvam. So, what is the difference between Guguladiktagam and Varunadi? Mandagnitvam niyachadi. Varunadi is given in Mandagni. The Agni Devana property is more for Varunadi. Whereas Guguladiktagam is a Guru Yoga, only in Atyagni, Gutta Agni, Guguladiktagam is given. Moreover, Varunadi is a Gana. You can convert Gana into any form you like because there is Shastra Pramana. And Guguladiktagam is a yoga. You cannot convert. When I was a student, we had curiosity. We made 3 avartis of Guguladiktaka, Grida, Gandharvastha, the Arishtam, Induganda, Arishtam. We tried all these. Bahugalpam, Bahugunam. So we were trying all these things. useful in Urdhvajatra Vigara, sinusitis. The sinus are interpreted as nadi, and I remember M.R. Vasudevan Nambudiri sir used to give Gugulubanjavalam tablet, Madhusnigi, in chronic non-responding sinusitis, considering that as a nadi varna. And psoriatic arthropathy, osteoarthritis, rheumatoid arthritis, gout, avascular necrosis, Perthes disease and all, where Tiktarasena Kshira Gridad Beshajam. So Tiktarasam, Kshiram, Gridam, Gugulidiktam with the Negrodadi Kashayam is very effective in avascular necrosis. Certain cancers, diabetic vasculopathy, peripheral neuritis. In peripheral neuritis, due to diabetes, you do Udvartanam with the Eladi, you give Sakajaradi and Bonimbadi Kashayam, Vasanta Kusumagaram, Abrakasanduram, and Trikadagadi Gridam or Dhanvantara Gridam is given, and Surasadi Ganasiddha Vasti is given, and deep-seated ulcers and abscess. Gugulidiktam is given. Gugulidiktam contains Balladagam, so Ushnajala Anubanam is contraindicated. Gugulidiktam, there will be allergy. The Balladagam allergy, Tanikai, Vibhidagi is the antidote. Vibhidagi, Twak and Palam, Kashayam for Dhara. Vibhidagi Churnam, internal. And coconut, tender coconut, the white of the coconut with water internally, followed by a Virejanam, is the antidote for Balladagam. It is useful in Asti Majjagada Rogas. It can be used as Anuvasanam in osteoporosis. First line of this yoga is called Panchatiktam. Panchatiktam plus Triphala is called Nimbadi. There is another Panchatiktam in Vaishyaja Ratnavali, Jwara Prakaranam, Kantakari, Guduchi, Shundi, Kushtam, Kiradadaktam. In many Kashayas, Shundi is added because the Kashayam itself contains Ama. To remove that, Shunti is added in Siddha literature. Many Kashayas, they add Shunti to remove. In Nishundi Shadangam is there. In Raktabittam, ITP, Shadangam is given. Shadangam, Shunti is Kadurasam, Madhura Vibhagam. So we remove that and add Amruda and make it Amruda Shadangam. Urdhvajatra Vigareshu Nishi. Induganda Gridam. Induganda Gridam, everybody knows it is Vadagaram, Agni Vardhanam. I am not happy about selecting Induganda Gridam for Induganda Yogam for COVID because medicines which contains Dasamulam and Shilajit, I do not write because I make my medicines and I know what is the difficulty. Shonagam, Dundugam, Padala, Agnimantam, nothing is available. And what Dasamulam and Villam also root is not given in the market. Panchagolam, and it is given in pyrexia, chronic pyrexia. Snegameva param vidya, durbala analadevanam. Vyadi muktasya mandagno, sarpirevadu devanam. So after the recovery, convalescence, even if there is mandagni, gridam can be given. Which is that gridam? Can you give Gugulidikta? No. Agni Devana gridam, that is Shaduphala gridam, Induganda gridam are the gridas that are used. I will give you one example in this context. Once you do Snegavanam with Induganda gridam, you can go up to 200, 300 ml matra. Whether it is Madhyama Snegavanam in Vadaraktam or Mridu in Swasakasam, because the Indugandam is Agni Devana in nature. It contains Panchagolam and you can increase the dosage without Vyavat. But in Gugulidiktam, it is a Manda Guru Yoga and Agni is needed. We can also increase the dosage like Indugandham. We have to increase like 25 ml, 50 ml, 75 ml only. So Samyak Snigdha Lakshanam is better in Mahadiktakam, Indugandham, Shatphalam than Gugulidiktakam, Sakasaradi Dailam, etc. Allergic rhinitis, cough, cold, non-ulcer dyspepsia. So Indugandham is Kadarasam, Tiktarasam, and Urdhva Amasayam is Kafam, Adho Amasayam is Pittam. In esophageal, Barrett esophagitis, lax esophageal sphincter, the upper part of gastrointestinal problem, you can give Indugandham. In the duodenal problem, where Sthanika dosham is Pittam, Agandhika dosham is also Pittam. So Mahadiktaka Gridam is given in the middle part, and in the large intestine, Mudavada Anulomanam, Dadimadi Gridam is given. Likewise, we tell Vaishwanaram and Ingavajadi. Vaishwanaram is below Nabi and Ingavajadi is above Nabi. Panchagolam is Panchagolam plus Yavaksharam, Panchagolam plus Saindavam. Two views are there about Shadphalam. Mahasneham, it's a very important medicine. Astimajjagade Mahasneha. The Astimajjagada rogas. It can be multiple myeloma, it can be aplastic anemia, it can be osteoporosis, it can be myelodysplastic syndrome, it can be demyelination, where the Astimajjagada Maduram Tiktam Kashayam, Ushnaviryam, Vadasamanam Balyam. This is the only yoga in the Shastra which contain 4 snegas together. Thailam, Gridam, Vasa, Majja are present in one yoga. And it contains Bhadradarvadi Ganam, Bhadradaru Nadam Gushtam Dasamulam Baladvayam, Bhadradarvadi Ganam, and other Madhuraskanta Dravyas. It's a very big Trinavanja Mula Mandal. It's a very big Madhuraskanta Dravyas. It's a how many Madhuraskanta Dravyas people are adding, the companies. I request the students in the future years and all the gurus who are hearing this, you should limit your purchase from the companies and you should encourage young Vaidyas who are making medicines. Because they are sincere, they buy the correct material. Many companies, they are interested in profit only. So with the company-based, bottle-based medicine, it is very difficult to treat challenging conditions. Punarnavadi, if you buy from the company, the Shofakanam effect, the Punarnavadi you make as a Kashaya yoga and ask them to make a Kashaya, there is a lot of difference. We have seen it still in our hospital. Patients should make their Kashaya. If they say we cannot do, we are going to office, then we have alternative bottle Kashaya for 1 or 2 areas, then we give that. Motor neuropathy, Alzheimer's disease, demyelinating, Mastulunga Sadrisham Gridam. So the gray matter, white matter resembles the Grida. So Gridam Medium. Gridam is Dravya Samanyam for brain disorders. That is why, my dear doctors, in Manorogas, whether it is Balagraharogam, Adattvabhinivesham, Chittodvegam, Apasmaram, Unmadam, not even a single Kashayam is told. Only Gridam is told. There are more than 20 Gridas like Saraswadam, Mahasaraswadam, Chedasam, Mahachedasam, Ashtadasha Kushmanda Gridam, Kalyanagam, Mahakalyanagam, Hingusavarchaladi, Lasunadi, Panchagavyam, Mahapanchagavya Gridam. All these Gridas are told in these Manorogas. Brahmidrakshadi came in Madatya in very later period, around the mid 14th, 13th century. Samjnasdhavana Ganam is mentioned in Charaka Samhita. In Charakam also, while reading the Gana, you should differentiate Vadaja, Pittaja, Kapaja. We call Trifala Tridosha Ganam. Why we call Tridosha Ganam? Because Haridagi Kapasamanam Jatushyam given in glaucoma, Amalagi Pittasamanam Jatushyam given in diabetic retinopathy, Tanikai Vadasamanam Jatushyam given in macular degeneration. So we can make various Trifalas, 1:2:4, 1:1:1. If Anulomanam increase Haridagi, Vadasamanam Jatshishyam increase Vibhidagi, like that. So it is used for Dara, Abhyanga, Avagaha, Nasya and Snegavasti. It can be mixed with food and taken. It is Majjagata Dadugata Rogas. Practically in the second phase of demyelination, it is given when the patient has got good Agni Bala. Agni and Koshta you should assess always before the disease. Any disease, two things, Samhananam, Sattva Balam and all, Sara Balam and all, not very much needed. But Agni, Koshtam, Nidra, Sattvam, Purisham, Malam, Mutram, this we should ask always. Even Ashtasthana Pariksha has got limitations. The way in which we do without applying what is told in Yoga Ratnakara, that is questionable. Rasna Dasamoladigratam. In the old text, they have mentioned Draksha Dasamoladigratam, even in old Kattasthana. So it is Ashtangradayam Kasa Prakaranam. It is Tikta Madura Kadu, Samasiddoshnam, Vada Kapakaram, Vadanulomanam, Kasakaram. Yavakshara Rasnadi Gridam is the first Grida, that is Rasnadi Grida. Then Rasna Dasamuladi Gridam, that is the second Grida. It contains Ajamamsam. In some conditions, Ajamamsam cannot be added in the Vaidyasala, so they add Masha Kashayam or Nendarambala Kashayam. The long banana of Kerala banana, Nendarambalam, they put water, heat it, make a soup of the Nendarambalam. That juice they add in the place of Mamsarasa. It contains Vishesha Palasurdi. Panchakasan Shirakamban Yoni Vankshana Vedanan Sarvanga Yeganga Rogangsha. Panchakasan Shirakamban. It's a beautiful word. It is called titubation. Vermis degeneration of cerebellum, benign essential tremor of cerebellum or the head. You can give Nasyam with Rasna Dasamoladi Gradam. Yoni Vedanan, whether it is endometriosis, dysmenorrhea, this can be tried. Vankshana Vedanan, sacroiliitis, you can give. And inguinal pain, avascular necrosis, head of femur, you can try. Sarvanga Rogam, Yeganga Rogam, you can give. Cerebellar ataxia, cerebellar diseases, you will be asking them to walk in straight line and come back. This is called tandem walking. Then you will be checking the finger nose, dysdiadochokinesia, knee heel test, pull sign, and nystagmus. You will be seeing all those things in cerebellar ataxia and cerebellar degeneration. This Thanika dosham is Kafam, Agandaka dosham is Vayu. All the Vada Kapha rogas or the avarana of Vada by Kapha is creating lot of problem. Even in COVID, this avastha is one of the avastha. That is why Pramadi Aushadas play a major role in the management in some stage of the disease. Spinocerebellar ataxia and cervical dystonia, very difficult case. The head will move like this and they suffer with pain, and it is a social psychological morbidity. Arthritis of hip region also. Rasna Dasamoladi Gridam is given. It can be given for Vasti. Vidaryadi Gridam. Vidaryadi is Madhura Rasa, Madhura Vibhaga, Sida Virya, Vadavitta Samana, Brahmana, told in antenatal care, told in postnatal care. Last week I told the Ubadadu of Rasam is Stanyam and Artavam. Stanyam and Artavam, if you give medicine for Stanyam, it should not work for Artavam in modern medicine. If you give medicine for bleeding, it will be against Stanyam. But we have Sadavari. Sadavari works on Stanyam. Sadavari work on Artavam also. ഇത് ആയുർവേദം പഠിക്കുന്ന ഒരാൾക്ക് ഈ തത്വങ്ങളൊക്കെ മനസ്സിലാവുള്ളൂ. പിന്നെ ഈ വിദാര്യാദി ഘൃതം ഇതുപോലെ തന്നെ ധന്വന്തരം. ധന്വന്തരം മധുരരസം, മധുരവിഭാഗം, ശീതവീര്യം, സ്നിഗ്ധഗുണം, വാതപിത്ത ശമനം, കഫവർദ്ധനം, Bala is Maduram, Godumai is Maduram, Kshiram is Maduram. So the Palasurdi of Vidaryadi is above Nabi. Palasurdi of Dhanvantaram is below Nabi. So Dhanvantaram nobody will take for neck pain. You can do you can mix Kotanjukadi and Pindadayalam also. But while you study, you cannot do this. I cannot do this because I am a clinician. I am a clinician teaching medicine. I am not a teacher becoming clinician. I am a clinician became a teacher. Then students are around me. Students will ask me, sir, why did you select this? Then I should tell, he is a Krishadehi. He is having Daduksha Avastha. His Agni Bala is good. So I have to give Madhura Rasa Yukta medicine. It comes in the later phase. So I am giving Vidaryadi. First stage itself I cannot give. First stage Avarana Amayukta. Vidaryadi is not having Amavajana property. So it is Vadabitta Gulmam. The Vadabitta Gulmam is here is Vidaryadi, duodenal ulcer. Then pulmonary, dry cough. Siddhobaladi is for dry cough. Vidaryadi, dry cough. Yashtimadu, dry cough. Purna Chandrodayam, dry cough. Kushmanda Rasayanam, dry cough. Mridvigadi, dry cough. Mridvigadi Araikara Yoga. Mridvigam plus Tippali, அது அக்னி சம்ஸ்காரம் கிடையாது, அரைக்கிறது. டிபி ரிகவரி, இஎன்டி, சொரபேதம், repetitive strain injury. Vadaja Sorabedam is repetitive strain injury. Pittaja Sorabedam is laryngitis. Kavaja Sorabedam is polyps in the tongue, in the throat. Kantyam Ganam is there, Swaryam Ganam is not there. But the word Swaryam is mentioned in Vidaryadi, Kshirabala, Swaryam, Mukyadamam, Indriyanam Prasadanam. So, Hridyam, Vadapitta Samanam Hridyam. Vadapitta Samanam Hridyam is rhythm abnormalities of the heart. That is atrial fibrillation, where Vadam is vitiated in the heart. When Vadam is vitiated, you have to select Madhura Rasam Hridyam, Snigdha Gunam Hridyam. Arjunam is Kashaya Rasam, Ruksha Gunam, Sida Viryam, Kapasamanam, Pitta Samanam, Kleda Soshanam, given in bleeding, given in Yoni Rogas, in Pudi Shukram it is given. So Kashaya Rasa Arjuna, will you give in Kevala Vadaja Roga? You have to convert it into Arjuna Kshira Bhagam, or you should go for rhythm abnormalities. Brigatnayobhayam Kashayam, Vidaryadi Kashayam, Bhadradi Kashayam, Dhanvandara Gudiga, Kasturi Gudiga. In heart, always you should select a medicine from Annarakshavidi, because Hirdayavarana Rasam, Tamaram and Swarnam are mentioned. So Hirdayam, Swarnam is having affinity towards the heart. So Purna Chandrodayam is selected. Then wasting neurological conditions. Then Vada predominant vertigo. I have heard one of my friend came from America, a lady doctor, very brilliant. She had taken a class in our channel also about Nadi Pariksha. The hypertension she was talking, Vada Pradanya hypertension, Pitta Pradanya hypertension, Kapha Pradanya hypertension. Probably the way in which she expressed may be ridiculous for some of us, how it can be. It is a Gudalinga Vyadi, Avyakta Vyadi. Only by checking the BP, we will find whether pressure is not there. Prasanna Atmendriya Managa, the patient is happy. Where we had a priest long back, he did not have any symptom. One day we checked the BP, the topmost level of BP. Many people do not know how to check BP properly. I want to talk about stethoscope and BP in one of the classes. Many promises I am giving. One by one I will finish. Avaranam is there, Arishta Lakshanam is there, Corona is there. I didn't forget anything. One by one we will cover when the time permits. We should also, Ilanjarian sir, we should also give chance for others to talk, and vertigo. So all these things, these Gudalinga Avyakta Vyadi, these investigations are very essential. People who practice Suddha Ayurveda, they don't see BP apparatus. Now they tell oxygen saturation is 70. After our medicine, saturation became 90. How come Suddha Ayurveda talk about saturation? What is the Jara? Do they do Nadi Pariksha? They are afraid to touch. So all these varieties that are existing. Aja Kshiram, very difficult to get. Ajamutram, we wanted to make Vilvadi Guliga. My brother Dr. Chidambaram told, getting Ajamutram is a tough job. It is not easy and very feeble quantity, less quantity we will be getting. And Ajash is going here and there. Yesterday during Environmental Day, we planted so many trees. Most of the trees have become the Bhakshana for Aja. So whatever is remaining, we have protected it with Veli. We have protected it, and the Environment Day we celebrated. And Vidyariyadi. Kaishora Gugulu. It is one of the Pitta Samana Gugulu. Sarangadara Samhita, Madhyama Gandam, it is there. It is Tikta Rasa, Kashaya Rasa, Pitta Samana, Kapha Samana, Ruksha Guna. The main ingredient is Guduji. The second ingredient is Trivrit. Guduji is Pitta Samanam, Tridosha Samanam. Trivrit is Kinjit Virejana Yuktam, Sukha Virejanam in nature. So Kaishora Gugulu will produce little motion. It is given in Pitta Pradhanya Vadarakta. What is Pitta Pradhanya Vadarakta in practice? Synovitis, gout, pseudo-gout, SLE, Raynaud's phenomenon, Raynaud's disease, MCTD, scleroderma, sclerodactyly, crust syndrome, Wegener's granulomatosis, temporal arteritis. All these things, Kaishora Gugulu with Pajanamardam, Kaishora Gugulu with Amrita Shadangam, followed by Nimbamrita Erandam with Kshiram Virejanam, with Panjadikta Kshiravasti, followed by Shavanaprasa Rasayanam. It's a classical protocol for Pitta Samana management. So I have given the examples: psoriasis, diabetic carbuncle, acne vulgaris, varicose ulcers, PVD, peripheral vascular disease, diabetic retinopathy. If you see this Anubana, when there is Sakshu Roga, Netra Roga, diabetic bleeding, hemorrhage in the eyes, it is given with Vasadi Kashayam. The next yogam, there is a Vasadi Kashayam next to Patya Shadangam. That Vasadi is called Chakshu Vasadi. Then Gulmam Varunadi Kashayam, Kushtam Kadiradi Kashayam. That is Kadirashtakam told in Sarangadara Samhita. Now Trayodashanga Gugulu, 2 yogas are there, 13 ingredients are there. The main, it is otherwise called Abha Gugulu. Abha means babulam. It is Kinjit Brahmana Gugulu because Ashwagandha, Sadavari, Grotshura, Vriddadaru, all these things are Kinjit Brahmana Dravyas. 6 part of Gridam is added in this yoga. So in Krishadehi also, moderately Krishadehi also, this Gugulu can be given. Navagugulu is Brahmanam. Navaga Gugulu is Karshanam. We are buying Gugulu, so we do not know which Gugulu, which Shilajit. It is coming from Punjab, Ludhiana. I asked a student from Ludhiana. He came here. He was also not having idea from where Shilajit is available from that place. Probably he will be hearing my class. Plantar fasciitis, shoulder eye. When you sit, there is a pain. That is piriformis syndrome, iliotibial band syndrome, meralgia parasthetica. All these things are very interesting diagnosis. And yoni doshas, ushna jalam, rasna sattagam, kashayam, Dhanvandara arishtam. That is nothing but Dhanvandara Taila Yoga converted into arishta. And Kinjit Brahmana Yoga. This is a Brahmana Gugulu. Yogaraja Gugulu, Sakradattam, Amavasta, Kadurasam, Kadu Ubagam, Ushna Viryam, Kafavadagaram, not for Pitta Vyadi. Chitragam, Pippali, all these things are there. And OA, SSA, reactive arthritis, gout, gulmam. It is given in Granthi, Arshas, Krimi. In Mahayogaraja Gugulu, the interchangeability Sarangadara, Vaishidyakalpana, Basavarajiya, Chakradatta, the name change is there, which is little confusing. Actually, in the Dutapapeshwar text, Bharat Bheshaja Ratna, see, my secretary Saju is teaching me. We have to give him a MD Kayajigisa degree, MD Bhaishajya degree. He is telling, sir, it is Bharat Bhaishajya Ratnagar, the name of the text, because he knows He is with me for 20 years. He knows what is Ayurveda. One day I took a class and told a wrong reference. He came to me, he wrote it in a paper and gave it to me. Sir, this reference is from Vangasena, not from Charaka Samhita. Truly, it happened in Kolhapur. So that is what, when I was traveling to foreign countries during the early part of my career, my wife was attending all the class and she started assessing the prakritis of people walking in the mall and all. Then I told you, stop coming to the class, you start assessing, is a pitta prakriti, you have to give tiktarasa. So people, those who hear and live in that environment, they get this Tridosha Jnanam very quickly. So Yogaraja Gugulu Pumsavana Yuktam. Mahayogaraja is Pumsavana Yuktam Vandyatva Nasanam. Likewise in Maharasanadi also, Pumsavana Yuktam, Stri Doshagaram, Shukra Doshagaram is there. Anybody is giving Maharasanadi, we are giving Maharasanadi with Ajamodadi Churnam, Yogaraja Gugulu in endometriosis, Vadagi Yoni Vyabat, Asya Abakarshagagadi. Mahayogaraja Gugulu contains Abragam, Vangam, Raubyam, Nagam, Loham, Manduram. Lot of metals and minerals are there in Vadarogam, Rasnadi Kashayam, Pittarogam, Kakolyadi is not available. Susruta talks about Surasadi, Sarasaladi, Kakolyadi all the time. No medicine of Susruta is available in the market, and it has become so popular. But the context and the epilogue, the last 4 verses in every chapter of Susruta is phenomenal. I tell you, Susruta is a wonderful text because he tells Rasayana at the end of each chapter, making them as a Naimittika Rasayana. Even Shaddaranam, he says, Chakrabani says, Chakradatta, Mahavadavyadi Prasamano Yogaga. Vadaraktam is Mahavadavyadi, according to Susruta. Kapha, Aragvadadi, and urinary reflux, Daruharidra, anemia, Gomutram, obesity, ani. Gomutram, lot of controversies now we are facing. Gomutram, those who are taking Gomutram are criticized. And it is Kaphagaram only in that principle. One fellow told there was a study conducted. It contains erythropoietin. That is why Gomutra Haridagi is given in people with renal dysfunction. Skin diseases, Nimbakashayam. Rat poison. Previously rats were there. Patola Kashayam. Eye diseases, Triphala Kashayam. These and all PG students should take studies. Mahayogaraja Gugulu in skin diseases, psoriasis, with Nimbadi Kashayam as Vishesha Anupana. Like that, they should do a study. Anupana Vishesham. Anupanam increases bioavailability, plasma concentration, and half-life. Anupanam is very important. Difference between Yogarajam and Mahayogarajam. Yogaraj 29 items, Mahayogaraj 31 items. And in many few texts, Yogarajam is Anagni Siddha Gugulu, but people are making Agni Siddham, but reference is there. Mahayogarajam Agni Siddha Gugulu, common dravyas, uncommon dravyas, metals, lot of metals in Mahayogarajam. Palasruti also differ. Mahayogarajam Apasmaram is Vishesha Palasruti, infertility, Shaddaranam. Coming to the Dharanam, the word, Palasya Dashamo Bhagaga Dharanam. 1/10 of a pala. Palam is 60 grams, 48 grams according to Pharmacopoeia Committee, Government of India, 4.8. We take it 6 grams. So, according to Arunadatta, 1/12 of a palam is Dharanam. That doesn't make a sense. It's a commentary I read in Venkata Subramaniya Sastrigal textbook of Ashtanga Hridayam, Tamil. So, this Shaddaranam is told in Amasya Gadavadam. Matsyam, Vilvashaladam, Shaddaranam. Amasya Gadavadam can be atropic gastritis, or can be angina also. Shaddaranam is a wonderful drug. Amrudottaram, Shaddaranam, Shunti Sanyika Paniyam, is a big practice in some part of Kerala, which is highly respectable. And Kafagaram Amabajanam. The Shaddaranam is told us in Kushta. Darvikalinga Gadaga Adivishagni Bada is Susurdam. Abhayakalinga Gadaga Adivishagni Bada is Vagbada. One duck is different. One time we made Darvikalinga Gadaga Adivishagni Bada with Abhaya. So the Shaddaranam told by both the others, we tried. Bhavana with Gomutram. And to make Shaddaranam 1 kilo, 12,000 rupees it will come. Because Adivada 6,000 rupees. Adivisha 1 kilo is 10,000 rupees. Kadagarogini 5 to 6,000 rupees. So 6,000 rupees. If you make Shaddarana with best drugs, it is very costly. Now it is available. Nobody is adding Adivisham. They are adding Musta, Korakkarangu, and but the rate for Adivisham they keep. Because you cannot put your head into Shaddarana and see whether they have added it. Nobody knows. This is why Ayurvedam is, people are making huge money. Then Shaddaranam, where is the yogam told in Ashtanga Hridaya? Anybody tell me? The yogam is told in Kushta Chikitsa. What is the name of the yogam? Padadi yogam. It is called Padadi Churnam, told in Kushta Chikitsa. So Ashtada Shaddaranam is introduced in Amasaya Gadavadam. Susrudam Shaddaranam introduced in Kushtam. Chakradattam Mahavadavyadi Prashamano Yogaga. Vadaraktam. Shaddarana Yogam is told in Kushtam. The word Dharanam comes in Ashtachurnam also. Trigadaga Ajamoda Saindavam Jiragedve Samadharana Dridabhyam Ashtago Hingubaga Pradamagavada Bojjiga Sarpisham Churnagoyam Janayadi Jadaragnim Vadagulmam Nigandi. Pradamagavada Bojjaga. First bolus, you have to add a ghee, Indhanda Gridam, mix and take Pradamagavada Bojjaga. What is the Pradamagavada Bojjam? Sagrasam. What is the Aushadagalam? Sagrasam. Sagrasam is for Vajigaranam. So in Vajigaranam, first we can give Ashtachurnam and then start the treatment. Because Agni is corrected. Annam Grinadi Vivejayadi Munjadi. Annam Grinadi Pachati Vivejayadi Munjadi. So Agni has to be corrected. So Shaddaranam is a wonderful yoga. Urustambam. Urustambam already I have given. What is Urustambam? Many people ask me. Urustambam is a Vadavyadi told in Nanatmaja Vadavyadi. But Vadam is there, Pittam is there, Kafam is there, Medas is there, Amam is there, Thai is there. So Urustambam, Snegadikarma is contraindicated. Urustambam, Panchakarma is contraindicated. Swimming against the current of the water is indicated. Swimming against the current of the water, man with 0 power cannot swim. Man with power 1 cannot swim. Man with power 2 cannot swim. Man with 2 and 3 with support or 3 and 4 with support can swim. That means there is a spontaneous recovery in Urustamba. Acharyas have observed Urustamba. This is Urustamba like this. So some people tell Urustambam is paraplegia. In any paraplegia, 2 features are there. One feature is erectile dysfunction, which is not told in Urustambam. Second is bladder incontinence, which is not told in Urustambam. So the lesion is not in the S1 segment. The lesion is in the upper cortical segment, demyelination with patchy arachnoiditis, which is spontaneous recovery, where the motor power has increased and swimming against the current of water. So Udvartanam, Sakajaradi, Pipalyadi, Gandirarishtam, Solpalasuna Bindam, Yeladi Udvartanam, Vaidanavasti, Ksharavasti, and Thailam is told, Ashtakattvara Thailam and Saindavadi Thailam, which are Ushna, Tishna, Lekana, Pramadi in nature. Kada Equena, PVD, we can give Shaddaranam. Shaddaranam is having wide range of utility. Even in angina, it is very effective. Shaddaranam. Once, remember, 15 years before, I talked my experience about giving Shaddarana in Arjuna Rishtam to our Shankaran Sir. Shankaran Sir was a great clinician and Sir appreciated. And he gave the Gunavikalpa, Tiktarasam, Kadarasam, Kashayarasam, Damani Pratichayo, Damani Ubalebaha. So the Tiktakadu Kashayarasam, Arjuna is Kashayarasam, works against Sama Kafam. That is why Shadharanam is effective in ischemic heart disease. So he taught me in a seminar is about to start. He was sitting in the front row, I was sitting in the back row. That is why many of the books I have dedicated to him. One of the greatest contribution of Kerala, Shankaran Sar, was a great Mahatma, great clinician. He taught Dr. Sri Kumar, my friend. I learned so many things from my Sri Kumar. Sri Kumar and Shamakrishnan were actually not my friends. They are my gurus. They taught me so much after coming from Venkataramana Ayurveda College. So this is about the Shadharana. The Nagabala Rasayanam. Nagabalam is the controversial drug. That is what my brother Dr. Chidambaram taught me. That is why I am not talking about the translation or botanical name. Nagabala. Nagabalam is Vadapitta Samanam, Madhura Rasam. It is a Sarpirguda Yogam. It can be given. One palam is the maximum dose. It can be given for 1 month. It is a very good Brahmana Yoga. It is useful in neuropathies very well. M&D and all we can give. We have to identify what Nagabala is. Sukumara Rasayanam. Sukumara Rasayanam is a very interesting yoga. It is a male Pumsavana yoga because it is told in Vriddhi Prakarana. Vriddhi, hydrosil will come in men only. So it is a male specific yoga. Of course, Vid Vibandeshu Sasyade, you can give for a female. Periods pain, you can give for a female. Sukumaran Gradathale, Hinguvajadi Guliga Jertu, Nambudiri Sar Kudukan Yang Undertunde. Endur prescription, Krichran Gulman, Hinguvajadi, Vadan Lomanam, Sukumaram, Vadam Ruksham, Adunta Snigdam, Gridam Edatu. Above, Idila Yamalamana, Idila Stavara Snegam is there, Jangama Snegam is there, Gridam is there, Yeranda the element is there. Gridam is animal product, Yeranda the element is plant product, it is Yamala. So it contains Gudam also, but it is not a Lehyam. Guda Yukta Yamala Sugumara Rasayana. So one guru, after finishing the course, asked the student, you prepare 1 kilo of Sugumara Grida, the Rasayana, as per the text. This is the last exam you have to undergo. It was a very tough exam. Probably the student would have failed. If you ask me to do, I may not be able to do. I had discussions with Dr. Chidambaram about this. He told some very minute, intricate points about this yoga. It's a very good yoga. I write left and right. One of my favorite yogas. After my practice, the production people say Sukumaram preparation production has increased. PCOD, amenorrhea, oligomenorrhea, and Vada Udaram, and can be during pregnancy as a laxative. It's a male Pumsavana Yogam. Sukumara Degis. So actually, Sukumara Degis, according to Harida Samhita and Bela Samhita, are women. They are Pitta Prakriti. Now coming to the Taila Yogas of Vada Vyadi. Bala Aswagandha Lakshadi Dailam. Aswagandha Nishadaru Kaundi Kushtapta Chandanaihi. Yaksha Rakshasa Budagnam Garbhininam Chasasyade. It's given for Jvaragaram. It's a Vishesha Palasurdi. It is a Samasidoshna Yoga, Vadabitta Samana, Rakta Prasadana Yogam, not for Kapha disease. It is Vadabittam Brahmana Yoga, Sandhaniya Yoga. Balam is Madaram, Aswagandha is Madaram, works on Nadi, Laksha is Sandhaniyam, Asti Visheshatvam. So it is given in Jwaram. After Jwara, you can apply Bala Aswagandha Lakshadi. In Deepavali, Siddha people apply Bala Aswagandha Lakshadi Thailam only for head and body and take bath. It is called Deepavali Thailam and Deepavali Lehyam, like our Saubhakya Sundi, Panchajira Godam. They make some medicine which is very good. Pyrexia of unknown origin, chronic fevers. In pyrexia of unknown origin, chronic fever, usually we think about SLE, tuberculosis, cancer, AIDS, Hodgkin's lymphoma. These are all the conditions commonly seen. The fever is more than 3 months or 4 months, where Vadapittottare, Mandajure, Purana Jura Chikissa, Snegabanam, Shamana Vicharana Snegabanam is the therapy. Pulmonary, it is given in respiratory issues. Neurology, involuntary movement disorders, myoclonic disorders. In Kerala, they make Keram and Thailam For Pitta Prakriti is Keram, Kapha Prakriti is Thailam. One person asked me, Sir, Kaphasthana, Thailam, is it better than Keram? Why Kerala people are using Keram? But Keram is having hair protective property. And based on the climate, also, they would have made that. The shelf life is little less for Keram. Graha, Yaksha Rakshasa Budagnam. All these Graha issues, Yaksha Rakshasa Budagnam, Garbhininam Chasasyade. So we can give in psychiatric conditions, schizophrenia, paranoid tendencies, all the Budam are considered as virus, bacteria, supranatural powers, Buddha, they can influence. But Saraka says in Vimanasthanam or Nidanasthanam, the Buddhas, Pishasa, Rakshasa will not influence a person who has got a strong will. Only Prajnaparadam is the cause for disease. See the scientific attitude of Saraka. Beautiful sloga. I have forgotten the sloga. Dhanvantaram. Dhanvantaram is Madhura Rasam, Madhura Ubhagam, Sida Viryam, Vadabitta Samanam, Krishadegi, Brahmanam, Guru Snigdam, and given in Asti Visheshatvam, Bhagna Visheshatvam, Yoni Visheshatvam, Stri Visheshatvam is there. So, osteoporosis, osteopenia, lumbar spondylosis, Paget's disease, diffuse idiopathic spondylo, hyperostosis, osteoarthritis, facet arthropathy, chondromalacia, patella. They walk in straight line, no pain. They increase, they walk steps up, little pain, they walk down, more pain. Avascular necrosis, Perthes disease, spondylolisthesis, coccydynia, endometriosis, dysmenorrhea, puerperal pain, post-traumatic conditions, Tietz syndrome, intercostal neuralgia, carpal tunnel syndrome, which is a Rujagara marmam, Gulfedo, Manibandedo, Dvede, Kurchasiram, Sita, Rujagarani, Janiyat. So it is a Rujagara marmam. Karpasastyadi Dailam. It is Vada Kafagara Dailam, Brahmana Dailam, cotton seed, Bala, Masha, Kulatta, Devadaru. It is Ushna Brahmana Dailam. In Karpasastyadi, Trivida Prayogam is mentioned. Vasti is not mentioned. Have you seen anybody giving Vasti with the Karpasastyadi? It is because there is no Sastra Pramana for that. Spasticity, rotator cuff tendinitis, supraspinatus tendinitis, glenohumeral arthritis, subacromial bursitis, tennis elbow, golfer's elbow, MND, cervical radiculopathy, brachial neuralgia, stroke with Karpasastyadi, which Panchasnegam. It's a very specific yogam for Abhavagugam. If you read the Pippalya, the Gridam of Jwarajigissa, Amsa Thabam is mentioned. That is a Vishesha Palasurdi. I give in burning neuropathy due to cervical myelopathy. We give Pippalya, the Gridam, Urdhajatri Vigareshu Nishi, because Amsa Thabam is mentioned there. So this Vishesha Palasurdi, you should always remember. Again and again, I am telling. Now we are coming to the Kotanjukkadi. Kotanjukkadi, Sakasra Yogam, Kevala Ushnam, Vada Kafagaram. In Madras area, it is called Amavadari Thailam. Even my guru used to tell Amavadari Thailam. Amavadam Thailam is contraindicated. When Avastha comes, the first Thailam what can be selected is Kotanjukkadi, Chinjadi, Vishagarbham, Vishamushti, Sadagavadi, Saindavadi, Ashtakatvaram, like that. So acute pain management in obese person, it is given. And Kotanjukkadi Korambu is made pirichal. It may produce counter irritation because of the extreme Ushnada. Then Kshirabala. Kshirabalam is Madhura Rasam, Madhura Ubhagam, Sida Viryam, Vadavitta Shamanam. See, Kshirabalam is a Thailam. Madhyashthyadi is a Thailam. Pindadailam is a Thailam. Aranalam is a Thailam. More Thaila yogas are told in Vadarakta. But in Charaka Samhita, Grida yogas are also told. While Vagbada read Charaka and edited Vadarakta, Thailam giving importance to Vadam is told. Kshirabala Thailam, Aranala Thailam, Pinda Thailam, Madhyashthyadi Thailam, Shadush Prayogam, Amurdadi Thailam, Balagudu Chadi Thailam, but not Gridam in Vadarakta. Vadarakta, Grida yogas are less. Kashaya yogas are of course there. Kogilaksham Kashayam, Bala Sadavari Kashayam, Sadavari Chinnarukhwadi Kashayam, Mahamanjishtadi Kashayam. All these things are there. Lagu Chinchadi Yogam, Panchalavanam, Sarjarasam, Chinchapatra Kashayam, Shigrutwak, Cheriya Yogam, Nalla Yogam, Ushnam, Shofagnam, Panchalavanam is a controversial thing. What they are giving in the shop, Vidalavanam, Krishna Lavanam, we have to buy. We wrote a beautiful article. One day we should talk about Lavanas available in market. And again, wherever Ushnada is needed in Stula Degi, this can be given. Masha Bala Dailam. It is a Ushna Brahmana Dailam. Krishadegi it is given. Brahmanam, Attu Mamsam is there. It contains Brahmana Dravyas. Masham is Brahmanam. Bala is Brahmanam. Gokshuram is Brahmanam. Ashwagandha is Brahmanam. Kabigachu is Brahmanam. Ajamamsam is Brahmanam. Jivaniya Ganam is Brahmanam. So in Amavastha, don't give it. In Avarana Avastha, don't give this. Masham is given in woman. For Mahadi Garbhavakrandi, in Masham is given in woman, Padai, and Paul is given in men. Masham Tailam Sankujidam Abhyango, Masha Saindava Sadidam, told in Vadavyadi. Sankujidam denotes spasticity, but we have given this medicine internally and externally in spasticity. It is not very effective. In established contractures, medicines are very difficult to follow, and wide range of conditions. Panam, Abhyangam, Vasti, Nasyam, Karnapuranam, Dara, Shirovasti. It is useful. Mahanarayana Dailam. Mahanarayanam, Narayani is Sadavari. 50% is Sadavari. Sadavari is Vadavitta Samanam. Vadashini Dailam is also same like this. Main ingredient of Vadashini Dailam is Sadavari. Narayana Dailam is Sadavari. And this Sadavari Dailam, Vadavitta Samanam, burning neuropathy, gout recovery, SLE, wherever Pitta predominant Vada disease you can give. So don't mix Maharasna, Mahanarayanam, Narayanam, Kotanjukkadi and Chinjadi. Don't mix. And Pipalyadi Dailam is told in Arsha Jigisa Udavarta Prakaranam, Vata Kafakaram Kadu, in Atyagni and Krura Koshta, Snega Vasti is indicated. The example of the Snega Vasti is Misraka Snegam and Pipalyadi Dailam. Spastic colon, Krura Koshtam, that is Kal Kudal, Pipalyadi Dailam, Anuvasanam, with Hingavajadi Kalkam, because Sarangadara says 1 to 2 grams of churna can be mixed with 50 ml of Anuvasana Taila. So for Anuvasanam also, Kalkam can be added. Reference is there. Lumbar canal stenosis, when a person flux forwards is spondylosis. When he sits, it sits pain, that is stenosis. That is called neurological claudication. Prasaranyadi, 18 Prasaranyadi Dailas are there. When we take Prasaranyadi, it is not Maharaja Prasaranyadi, Kubja Prasaranyadi. It is a Prasaranyadi told in Ashtanga Hridaya Vada Vyadi, which is Ushna Brahmanam. That's all. It is not Siddham, it is Ushnam. Prabhanjanam is Ushna Brahmanam, Tagaram, Devadaru, Sundi, Anjanam, Chitrakam, Teladailam. All these things are there. Dadimastu is there. So Prabhanjanam, degenerative arthritis, spondylosis can be given. Prabhanjanam can be used for Panam also, but many people do not do that. Prabhanjanam Korambu. Korambu, the North Indians know what is Korambu. Korambu is Yamalam. When Stavara Snegam and Jangama Snegam are added, it's Korambu. The heat retaining capacity is more. Kedaki Muladi Thailam, told in Ashtanga Sangragam, Vada Vyadi, Astigada Vadi, Bala, Adibala, Kedagi Moolam. Kedagi Moolam na Tamil Tarambu Narthan, Tarambu, Atru Orangalil Kano, Vadabitta Samanamana Thailam, Asti Viseshatva, Nasti disease, Kedagi Muladi Korambu is given. Sagajaradi Thailam is not having Adakaya properties. Many people for disc select Sagajaradi, Sosha, Atsheba, Stamba, Kamban. all neurological problem, sosham, wasting, akshebam, involuntary movements, stambam, spasticity, rigidity, kambam, tremor, penasam, Vishesha Palasruti. Yoni Rogam, Vishesha Palasruti. Sakajaradi Delam can be given Vada Kafashamanam, Rakta Prasadanam. It is given in wide range. I want to complete this today. That's why it will speed myoclonic jerk, seizures, wasting disorders, rigidity, spasticity. Sakajaradi Delam. Vadashini. Gomutra Shilajat is added. 100 palas of Shadavari. Vadashini Delam contains Shadavari. Vishagarbha means Datturam. Vishagarbha means Datturam. Va is Ushna Virya Tailam. Arugaladi is Bringarajam, which doesn't come here. Now we are coming to the last one, the last sloga of Vada Vyadi. Bala Chinnar Khwadi Tailam. Malayalis call this as Valliya Bala Tailam, big Bala Tailam. It is a wonderful yoga, difficult to prepare, costly, but wonderful. We have prepared and given for Snegabana. Amazing effect. Non-responding asthma, Meniere's disease, male infertility, epilepsy, Sarvavadanashanam param, vasovagal attacks, it is given. With that, I conclude. We have a lot of classes coming. You can be in touch with I Ask Ayurveda. I thank all the members of I Ask Ayurveda, Dr. Ilanjadiyan sir and team. Last time I mentioned the names of the people. I thank Dr. Muthunagai for the wonderful introduction. We have got the seminar programs coming on COVID and other things. And the situation is becoming worse day by day. We are getting mixed response in the treatment of COVID. Probably everybody will be treating COVID in various aspects with the various ideas and various medicines. And we will meet that on that occasion. So I conclude the class. Any questions are there, I will answer that.
There is a question from Dr. Sahishnu Bhatt. Should any company or any Vaidya add Vasa and Majja in Mahasneha? If yes, then how can they get?
We add it. I don't know whether others add it. A company name openly in a seminar, I cannot tell. If you write an email to me, I will tell where it is available. Mahadevan101@gmail.com.
Another question from Ravi Agarwal. Can we get any books for general practitioner? Again, a wonderful book available, written by Dr. L. Mahadevan sir himself, Ayurveda Clinical Medicine for Ayurveda practitioners. Again, you can get through Dr. From Mahadevan sir. You can contact through mahadevan101@gmail.com. Another question from Dr. Sanand Ratnam, whether DVT can be considered as Urustambam.
DVT is not Urustambam, but Urustambam Chikitsa principles are applied in DVT. Sakajaradi, Varunadi, Kukuluditaham, Gukulu Panjavalam, Shaddaranam, Gomutra Haridagi, Vaidaranavasti, no massage. All these principles can be applied. That is why I told Urustambam spectrum of diseases. Even in Kada Equina, you can apply Urustambam principle. You can apply Urustambam principle in piriformis syndrome. You can apply Urustambam principle in meralgia parasitica. You can apply Urustambam principle in iliotibial band. Ephemeral neuropathies, you can apply. It is a spectrum. In Vadasthana, there is Kapha Vriddhi, Ama Vriddhi. That's all. Here, DVT, Kapham and Rakta Avaranam takes place and it blocks Dhamani Pradhichayatvam, Upalebatvam, Stambatvam, Avaranam. This is there. Rakta Marga Avaranam.
There is another question from the same person, whether Ksharavasti can be given in DVT.
Yes, Ksharavasti, Vaidaranavasti, Chatvari Staila Gomutravasti of Ashtangradya.
Please suggest a Thailam for retrocalcaneal bursitis. Question from Vishnu Cheriyadat.
Astigatavadam. Ketaki Muladi Kodambu is mentioned in Astikadavadam, but that is a Shida Virya Dailas. Any Ushna Virya Daila can be given Kotanjukadi, Vishagarbam, Vishamushti, Pravanjanam, Sadagavadi. But if you consider that as a Rujagara Marmam, then you go for Gayatri Meni, Basavi Ennai, Murivannai. Plantar fascia's Marmam. You can go like that. Agni Karmam is very effective in that cases.
There is a question from Nadraja Pillai. What can be given in sarcoidosis? And also
sarcoidosis is a very big topic. Granuloma formation in the lungs where angiotensin converting enzymes will be very high. Sarcoidosis can come in eyes and it can come in the skin. It should be a snigdha brahmana anulomana chikissa. Some people do not need treatment, they recover. Some need a treatment. It's a very specific avastha is needed to interpret it. We check with the CT scan and do a blood test called ACE, angiotensin converting enzyme.
Next question.
Guruji, make a pulmonology book.
Someone is asking about Amridadi Tailam, sir.
Amridadi Tailam, Vada Rakta Prakaranam, Yoga Grandam, Sakasra Yogam, Vada Rakta Haram, Rakta Prasadanam, Samashidoshnam. Valiya Amridadi is there, Cherry Amridadi is there. Available in market.
Okay. So there is a question from Rupa Kakani. How do we think of hypothyroidism?
Kafashofam, Kafagaram, Snigdagaram, Ruksha Chigissa, Varunadi, Punarnavadi, Kanjanara Gugulu, the Samula Haridagi, Shiro Virejinia Gananasyam, Lekanavasti. Not don't write all the medicines. This is a principle and examples, varieties I have given. Kafagaratvam, simple Kafagaram, Patyam. Avoid Guru Agara, Abhishandi Agara, do Agni Vriddhi, correct the Dadu Agni. Even Shaddaranam will work, Amrudotaram will work, Gomutra Haridagi will work. Hyper is difficult. Madhurarasam, Snigdha Chikissa. Hypo we can manage well. They respond well also. Only thing is our medicines is a little costly. The T4 available in the market is not very costly. T4 is what we are substituting, thyroxine, L-troxin, etc.
Another question. For fibromyalgia diseases, which drugs are effective?
Angamardam. Fibromyalgia is Angamardam. Trigger points, pain, when all the investigations are normal, psychosomatic component will be there, mostly a woman. Angamarda Prashamana Ganam is there. But in Kafasthana, there is Vada Vriddhi. You can do Ushnavirya Kashayas like Ashtavargam Sagajaradi, Rukshasvedam, Dvibanjamuladi Vasti, Vardhamana Pippali. Mind also you should treat. You should do Nasya and support the mind. Trigger point, once you touch, there will be pain. All the investigations are negative. Modern medicine, they give the amitriptyline and duloxetine, selective serotonin, non-adrenaline, reupdate inhibitors. That is the latest drugs for that. It is called duloxetine. That is what they are trying. People come with all these drugs. And with our simple medicine, they respond very well. Face is going that side.
Okay. Another question from Srinivasa. Wanted to know treatment principle in diabetic neuropathy and varicose vein.
Varicose vein, Rakta Prasadanam, Shofakanam, Mahamanjishtadi, Punarnavadi, Kaishora Gugulu, Madhyashthyadi Sevidailam, you can be given. Elevation of leg, creep bandage, don't scratch it, and you do all those things. Diabetic neuropathy, Kushtamega Prasuptinam, Paramam Syad Tadaushadam, Vunimba Nimba Trifala, Padmaka Adivishagana, Varavidanga Krishnava, Lihyad Thailadhyam Akshigehi. Dashamula Meshasringadi, Bonimbadi Yogam, Vasanta Kusmagaram, Dhanvandra Gradam, Abragasanduram, Asti. And Dhara can be effective. Strict control of diabetes is essential.
Okay, doctor.
Udvartanam with Eladi Churnam, with Takram. Aragvadadi Ganachurnam are effective in diabetic neuropathy. Burning neuropathy, different treatment. Nambu neuropathy, treatment different. This is Kapham, that is Pitta.
How do we treat numerous tiny gallbladder stones?
Gallbladder stone is actually failure actually. A gallbladder stone will be a gallbladder stone. And a few cases respond, many do not respond. It can be treated like a gulma. It can be treated with the principles of Sagagada Kamala. Some people apply the principle of Ashmari. They give Varunadi, Chandraprabha. Some people give Trayandyadi, Shivaguliga. Siddha people give Annabedi Sanduram, Drakshadi Legium, Karisale Karpam, Kasi Sapasmam, Takrabanam. Success rate is moderately less for me. Others, there may be recovery. For me, gallstone, big stones, if the ones they get pain and if they want to go to a foreign country, better to do prophylactic laparoscopic cholecystectomy. Otherwise, if obstructive jaundice comes and when it enters into the pancreas, you have to do endoscopic retrograde cholangiopancreatography, and the ERCP has to be done. It is a very tough, riskful procedure.
Next
Shall we?
question.
Many are there? Yeah. One or
What?
two you ask.
Okay, sir. What can be given for scleroderma pigmentosa?
Uttana Vadarakta Chikissa. Tuk Mamsa Sridam Uttanam.
Another question. Treatment of ankylosing spondylitis.
Kambira Vadarakta Chikissa. Kubjam Pangutvame is a Bahya Abhyandara Ayamo Prayo Snayugado Anilaga.
Another question. Treatment for severe osteoarthritis.
Very severe, grade 4, bone over bone, internal dearrangement of knee, complete destruction of cartilage with genu valgum deformity, with a tilted gait, surgery.
Treatment
Surgery.
of annular. Okay. What can we do in writer's cramp?
Writer's cramp, same dystonia, Kalli Chikissa. Kalli tu pada jangu ur Karamula avabodani. Karamula avabodanam. We talked about that. Nasyam ababhagavan dottulla chikissa. Prasaranyadi kashayam. Karpasyastyadi nasyam. Kalyanaga gradam. Uttara bhaktidam gradam. Urdhajatri vigari. Because it is told in Sakrata.
Okay, doctor. There are so many questions.
They can send it to me or question and answer. We will have one section exclusively because I also get joy in answering these questions. Only time is the problem. Already it is 7:30. They have to go.
Yes, doctor.
Lockdown time. We are sitting in another place in the ward. Hospital and house is in another side.
So viewers are asked post the question email. Doctor will answer. Okay, doctor.
Thank you,
So,
Amma.
known is a drop, unknown is an ocean. You're always an ocean to us.
No, still I am studying every day. What I know is very, very little. Once you become mature and old, you know that what you know is very little and you have to work hard. And hard work cannot be substituted by any other thing in the world. தெய்வத்தால் ஆகாதெனினும் முயற்சிதன் மெய்வருத்த கூலி தரும். அதனால அது படிச்சிட வேண்டிதான், காலையில எழுந்து படிக்க வேண்டிதான். சரி,
Thank you very much.